Hey guys, what's up? Happy New Year! Welcome back to another video of the Project Showcase series. Today I'll be showcasing a guess the number game that I made in Python. As you know, in this series I choose projects that I made and showcase them to you guys. Let's dive into it. First of all, we'll import the random function from the random module. This will help us later on as it will help us choose a random function. Okay, I've also implemented error handling functionality into this project, but first let's see a quick demo. Type the last number, basically till how much you want to guess it. So 1 and 100 if I say, so it will, yeah, let's see, guess a smaller number. What about 75? What about 25? Greater number 35, greater number 40, smaller number 37. It was it. Let's check if it was actually that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, so this works. Let me just showcase the error handling functionality. Type the last number, some gibberish. Okay, yeah, it works. 100, and it even works here. Yeah, I'm not running the program fully. Yeah, so random number is equal to randit 1 comma num end. Basically if I say 100, it will take a random number from 1 to 100. Tries is equal to 1. This is basically the amount of attempts it took to guess it, and the reason I put tries is equal to 1 here rather than 0 is because right here when we first start the loop for the guess, which is the guess that we do in the game, it already counts as 1. So tries is equal to 1 right here from the start rather than 0. The same error handling functionality that we saw up here, but no break here because we don't want to break the while loop. Now if guess is less than 1, the input must be between 1 and num end. Please try again. Okay. If guess is greater than num end, the input must be a number between 1 and num end. Please try again. So basically if I enter like 0 or 1042, it will just say please enter a valid number. Now if the guess is greater than the random number, so if the random number is 74, if the guess is greater than random number, say 89, then it would say that was not correct, please guess a smaller number, and it will append 1 to tries, making it more. So if it was 1, it would be 2 now. If I guess say 26, it would say that was not correct, please guess a greater number. And when I finally enter the correct number, it would say congratulations, you guessed the number. It was a random number. It took you dash tries to guess it. Else, it was not a valid number. Please enter a valid number. So basically, if anything other than this, here is the start of the loop, right? Please enter a positive number. I don't think this is needed, but still, just so that we can do something if something goes wrong. In this video I actually wanted to give you guys an exercise. So I want you guys to implement the functionality of checking if the current guess that the user has entered was already guessed before. If so, tell the user f string guess has already been guessed, and don't count the turn as a try. So if they have entered 50, count it as one try, but if they enter 50 again, don't count it as a try. Okay, here's a hint: use the lists or sets. I will reveal the solution in 3, 2, 1. We have in this file here. Okay. First of all, we'll start by defining a variable, or actually a set, which contains all of the numbers that have already been guessed. What we will do is we will append our guess to this number. Alright, as you can see here, guess.add, guess, guess.add, guess. Alright, now we will also check if guess is in guessed, which means if guess is already in the set guessed, print guess has already been guessed, pass. Yeah guys, also as you can see here, I have used if instead of elif, because if I use elif, then let's say they entered 50 and the random number was 75. Now it will check that, well, if the guess is less than the random number, then it will say, well, this is less than the random number, and this won't be executed. So this is why we have to use if rather than elif. It is very important guys. Okay, so I'll show you guys a quick demo that this works. Type the last number 100. Let's guess 44. That was not correct. Guess a greater number 32. Let's guess 44 again. 44 has already been guessed. Okay, guess a greater number. Let's say 77. Smaller number 59. Greater number 64. Greater number 69. Greater number 72. Greater number 75. Greater number 76. Okay, it took you 9 tries to guess it. Let's count. So 44, 32, that's 2, and again 42, so this did not count as a try. That is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, so this works as intended. Thank you. So again, a very simple exercise. This was the first of its kind, so I gave you an easy exercise, but I will make sure to give you harder exercises later guys. That was it for the video. Thank you. Peace.